Okay. Well, hello, everybody, and welcome. My name is Giselle Verduzco, and I'm here with my co-host, Gisela Jimenez. And on behalf of Generaciones and Acción, we are hosting this informational webinar that pertains to our third annual art exhibition and mixer. I will be giving the first half of this presentation in English.
Y la segunda parte será en español.
Okay. So these are a few things that we will be discussing in today's presentation. We'll be looking at the theme of this exhibition, the rules and requirements to enter, how artists will be submitting their art, details of the event, and some frequently asked questions. So first, I would like to cover the theme of this event. And this year, we will be celebrating Hidden Figures, Bold Futures, Latinos Beyond the Lens. So, a quick description is that this exhibit is an art exhibition that celebrates the powerful stories of Latinos who are breaking barriers in fields where their presence is often overlooked. Through paintings, drawings, photography, etc., this exhibit shines a light on the hidden figures shaping academia, politics, engineering, medicine, and other influential industries. By capturing their journeys and achievements, the exhibition aims to inspire bold futures and redefine what Latino representation looks like in spaces beyond the traditional lens. We invite artists to portray Latinos thriving in roles and fields where they are rarely seen, challenging stereotypes and expanding the narrative of Latino excellence. Essentially, this year, we want to be able to celebrate Latinos that are taking charge in different roles, whether it's in academia, in the workplace, social justice. And we just want to create a space where we can celebrate Latino excellence and achievements that often get overlooked by society. So we accept all different forms of media that I will cover in our rules and requirements section. So we have one very simple rule, and it's that the participants be between the ages of 15 and 25. We are very flexible with the age range. For example, if you're 14 or 26, we're not going to say no to you. If you are interested but are unsure if your age is appropriate for this event, go ahead and send us an email and we will let you know. As for the requirements, the different forms of media that we will accept are paintings, drawings, sketches, ceramics, pottery, poetry, and short stories. So every type of media has its own requirements for the exhibit, and you can find these requirements on our website, and our website details will be given towards the end of the presentation. So how are you going to submit your art if you're interested? It's very simple. You're just going to send an email to giselle@generacionesenexion.org, and we require you to submit one, a picture of your artwork, or a PDF if you're submitting a short story or a poem. And you're also going to be submitting a short description of your work in English and Spanish. If you are unable to translate into one of these languages, that's totally fine. We will do that for you. We just want some sort of description for your artwork. An example is shown below in this picture. We have an English portion and a Spanish portion of this piece of art. And to be announced, once the deadline passes, you will be sent an email 2 weeks before the art exhibit that will include the address of where you're actually going to drop off your physical artwork. So that way we can put it in the exhibit. And we're going to offer different time frames. It's going to be in the general Los Angeles area for those of you that just want to understand where everything's going to be hosted. And the deadline to submit your artwork is August 31st at 11:59 p.m. It is not a super hard deadline. If something comes up and you're unable to submit your work at that time, please email us in advance and we can work with you. And you're welcome to submit it early as well. As for the event details, we will be hosting the exhibit at the East Los Angeles Service Center, and our event will be held on a Saturday, September 20th, 2025, from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. We have a wonderful curator. His name is Karen Silva, and he'll be in charge of handling the artworks and putting them in the appropriate places so that way we can have a beautiful exhibit to show everybody. As for some frequently asked questions, is this a family-friendly event? Yes, guests of all ages are welcome to come and support their loved ones. We encourage it actually. Are you able to submit more than one piece? Yes, artists can submit up to 3 pieces and they can be all different types of media. So if you want to submit a poem and some ceramics, we accept that. When will you get your pieces back? At the end of the event, artists will actually be able to take their pieces of work home. And what if you can't attend the event in person, but you still want to participate? So in the past, we've actually had artists from other countries submit their artworks and they could not show up to the event in person. So what we actually do is we print out the picture that they sent us and we frame it, and then we put the piece and present it to everybody else as any other type of artwork. So if you're unable to attend, that's totally fine. Just let us know. And will food be provided? We will have plenty of snacks and drinks for everyone to enjoy. So thank you so much. If you have absolutely any questions or need more information about this presentation or things that we've discussed, feel free to reach out to Giselle at generaciones.org. Gisela and I will be answering your emails. And for more information, or if you want to see some of the things that I put in this presentation again, you can find it at generaciones.org under Projects, Art Exhibition and Mixer 2025. And now on to my co-host, Miss Gisela.
Hola, bienvenidos a todos. Soy Gisela Jiménez con Generaciones en Acción y hoy voy a estar dando una presentación informacional sobre la tercera exposición anual de arte. Hoy vamos a estar hablando sobre el tema, las reglas y requisitos, cómo nos puedes enviar tu arte, los detalles del evento y preguntas frecuentes. El tema de este año es Figuras ocultas, futuros audaces, latinos más allá del lente. Esta exposición de arte quiere celebrar las poderosas historias de latinos que están rompiendo barreras en campos donde su presencia a menudo se pasa por alto. A través de pinturas, dibujos, fotografías, cerámica y más, esta exposición destaca las figuras ocultas que moldean la academia, la política, la ingeniería, la medicina y otras industrias influyentes. Al capturar sus trayectorias y logros, la exposición busca inspirar futuros audaces y redefinir la representación latina en espacios más allá del lente tradicional. Invitamos a artistas a retratar a latinos que prosperan en roles y campos donde rara vez se les ve, desafiando estereotipos y expandiendo la narrativa de la excelencia latina. Las reglas y requisitos de este evento. Estamos buscando artistas latinos entre las edades de 15 y 25 años, pero somos flexibles con esas edades. Si tienes 14 o 26 años, puedes mandarnos tu arte. Si tienes una duda sobre tu edad y quieres participar, nos puedes mandar un correo electrónico y nosotros te contestamos. Los requisitos. Estamos pidiendo obras de arte de pinturas, dibujos, cerámica, poesía y cuentos cortos. Las reglas específicas para cada tipo de arte estarán en nuestro sitio web. ¿Cómo puedes enviarnos tu arte? Cuando estés listo para enviar tu arte, puedes mandar un correo electrónico a giselle@generacionesenaccion.org y tienes que incluir una foto de tu obra de arte con PDF si estás escribiendo un poema o un cuento. Y también pedimos una breve descripción de tu obra en inglés y en español. Si no puedes traducir tu descripción al otro idioma, no hay problema con que nos los mandes en un idioma, nosotros lo traducimos al otro ya que mandes tu arte y unas semanas antes del evento te vamos a mandar un correo electrónico con la dirección en dónde entregar la obra y a qué hora puedes entregar tu obra. Esto va a ser en la área de Los Ángeles y la fecha límite de entregar tu arte es el 31 de agosto a las 11:59 de la noche. Si estás atrasado o ocupas más tiempo, nos puedes mandar un correo electrónico diciéndonos cuándo nos puedes mandar tu arte. Esta foto es un ejemplo de cómo se va a ver la descripción en el evento en un lado de tu arte, el nombre del artista, el nombre de tu arte y la descripción en inglés y en español. Los detalles del evento. La exhibición de arte va a ser en el East Los Angeles Service Center. el sábado 20 de septiembre del 2025, de 12 a 4 de la tarde, y nuestro curador va a ser Kevin Silva. Él se va a encargar de todo el arte y de ponerlo en las paredes para que se vea muy bonito. Y preguntas frecuentes. ¿Este evento es apto para toda la familia? Sí, cualquier persona de cualquier edad es bienvenida a apoyar a nuestros artistas. ¿Puedo enviar más de una obra? Sí, estamos aceptando 3 obras por artista y pueden ser diferentes medios. Puedes hacer una pintura, un dibujo y una pintura, un cuento o una cerámica, con que sean nada más 3 por artista. ¿Me devolverán mis obras? Sí, al final del evento vamos a regresar las obras a todos los artistas para que cada uno se las lleve a su casa. ¿Qué sucede si no puedo asistir al evento? Hemos tenido personas de otros países participar, mandarnos su arte, pero no pueden asistir al evento en persona. Nosotros imprimimos la foto que ellos nos mandan de su arte y la podemos poner en el evento. Kevin Silva, él se encargará de eso. ¿Y habrá comida? Sí, tendremos comida y bebidas, aperitivos para todos. Muchas gracias. Si tienes más preguntas, puedes mandar un correo electrónico a giselle@generacionesenaccion.org o visitar nuestro sitio web generacionesenaccion.org. Muchas gracias y los esperamos.
Thank you. See you all soon.